What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Matteo from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw the bottom half of the nose. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve this down, round out the nose, and then bend that up towards the right. Now I'm going to draw the nostrils in behind. So on the left we're going to step down, curve the nostril, going around, and then in towards the top. Line that up on the right side. Now it's going to round out the top, coming up and in, round out the center, and then come down towards the right side. Now on either side, we're going to draw two circles for the glasses. Let's start on the left. We'll go up, come around, just tuck that in towards the side of the nose. Let's line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, come all the way around, and then back in. Now in the center, we're just going to draw the bridge of the glasses going up and then down. Let's trace each of these circles along the outside. Let's start from the very top, come all the way around, in towards the nose, and then back up. Now we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, go across, and then down. And we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's go to the side of the glasses. We're going to curve the head. We go out and then down. Let's add a trim across the side. Start from the nose, going down and then up towards the side of the head. Let's move down towards the corners of the mouth and draw the chin. Come down on the left, go across, and then bend that up. And we'll place the bow tie underneath. And leaving a gap in the center, draw two angled lines coming down and in. Flatten off the bottom. And then from the bottom corners of the knot, curve this out and then down. Just come in towards the point along the center. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the ears. Let's start from the side, going up, around, and then in. Along the top of the ears, we're going to add a fold. Now I'm going to draw the hat brim going around the head. Let's start on top of the ear and go out, bend this across the middle, come down towards the right, and then in on top of the ear. Now in between the glasses, I'm just going to draw the edge of the hat brim. Let's move up to the top. I'm just going to curve the hat, going up and then out on both sides. Let's round out the hat, going up, across, and then back down. I'm going to add a trim across the bottom of the hat. Now I want to go back to the nose. We're just going to add a fold along the top, going up and then down. Let's move all the way down, draw the side of the body, starting on the left, then it's in and then down towards the stomach. From here, it's going to bend the stomach, going out, around, and then in towards the hips. Now in behind the tie on either side, we're just going to add a fold for the chest, going out and then down. Let's move to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round at the heel and go up towards that first toe. Go back to the left side. We're going to draw a circle, going all the way around with an open end on the right side. Let's add two more toes on either side. Starting on the left, draw a smaller circle going around, and then do that one more time. Let's go in between the last two toes. We're going to curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Let's add a point for the fur, and then come back down towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right, going above the toes. We're going to add that point, and then come in. Now we want to go back up underneath the stomach and curve the leg, coming down, and we'll bend that out on top of the feet. Now let's go back up to the top and draw those long arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, bend the arm going around the stomach, and then down towards the bottom. Now from here, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close out the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 large fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and then up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger, going out and then up. Now the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm. We're going to go out. I want to start to bring this in. And we'll gradually bend that back up towards the earlobe. Pulling that up. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Start with the first finger, going around that bracket. Second, and then the third finger going up. Start to bring this in, and then bend that up towards the earlobe. Now let's add that first separation across the wrist. Starting from the thumb, bend this in, and go up to create a point. And add 2 more, going out towards the outside of the arm. And we'll just bend that back up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right, starting from the thumb. Add sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Matteo from Italian Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.